In the very beginning of human history, before kingdoms, before civilization, before even war, there were only two brothers, two sons of Prophet Adam, the very first human born into this world. Their names were Habil and Qabil. What happened between them would change the story of mankind forever. It would lead to the first murder, the first blood spilled on earth, and a warning for all the generations to come. After Allah created Adam and Hawa, their children grew. Among them were two brothers, Habil, a gentle shepherd, humble and obedient, and Qabil, a farmer, stronger but proud and jealous. Allah had commanded that the children of Adam should marry the twin of the other, not their own twin. But jealousy began to burn inside Qabil's heart. His own twin sister was more beautiful and he wanted to marry her instead of obeying Allah's command. This was the beginning of darkness. To settle the matter, Allah commanded both brothers to make a sacrifice. Habil went to his flock and chose the best, healthiest sheep he owned, pure without defect. He placed it as an offering sincerely for Allah. Qabil, however, chose his worst crops, dried and spoiled, keeping the best for himself. And then it happened. Allah accepted Habil's sacrifice, but rejected Qabil's. The sign was clear: Habil's offering was taken while Qabil's was left behind. Jealousy turned into rage. Qabil looked at his brother with burning heart. I will kill you, he swore. But Habil, calm and righteous, replied, even if you raise your hand against me, I will not raise mine against you. I fear Allah, the Lord of the world. If you kill me, you will carry the weight of my sin and your own. You will be among the people of the fire. But Qabil's heart was already consumed. One day, in a moment of blind fury, Qabil attacked his brother, and with that, he committed the first murder in the history of mankind. The earth drank the first drop of human blood. The heavens shuddered at the crime, and Qabil stood over his brother's lifeless body, realizing the horror of what he had done. But now another problem haunted him. What should he do with his brother's body? Days passed, the body lay before him. Qabil felt guilt, fear, and confusion. Then Allah sent a sign. A crow appeared, scratching the earth with its claws, digging a hole and burying another dead crow. Qabil watched in silence, and he realized this was what he must do. He dug the ground and buried Habil, the first grave of humanity. As he stood over the grave, Qabil cried out, woe to me! Am I not even capable of being like this crow to hide the body of my brother? Regret filled his heart, but it was too late. The first murder had been committed. The Quran says in Surah Al-Ma'idah, if anyone kills a person unless in retribution for murder or spreading corruption in the land, it is as if he has killed all of mankind. But if anyone saves a life, it is as if he has saved all of mankind. The tragedy of Habil and Qabil teaches us that jealousy is a poison. It destroys families, breaks hearts, and leads to sins that can never be undone. From the very beginning, mankind was warned, obey Allah, control your envy, guard your heart. because the story of the two brothers is not just history, it is a mirror for all of us.